Hi guys, welcome to the video. I'm Sabri Zada, a professional custom web design and development expert. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to import a fully responsive and editable Elementor Pro section into a WordPress website. This section was built from scratch, designed to pixel perfect, mobile friendly and easy to customize. You can adopt it for any client or personal site. Let's get started. This is a quick tutorial how to unzip and see your Elementor sections and import in your WordPress website and customize it as per your requirements. So get started, click on it. I have installed WinRAR, so if you don't have WinRAR you can extract all from your Windows software, but I will go extract this, and yeah, here you go. Open it, and now here you can see how a structure. In this folder you can see the documentation, installation guide, and in this folder here you can see section images. And so basically this is stacking card section which I made it for you guys free, and you can have a code as well as template in this folder. This is changelog, and if you open it you can see here live demo, images, and now back to folder. This is our license, and this four are sections, services, contact, features, stacking cards. As I previously told you how to import. Guys, I'm already in my WordPress dashboard, and you have to log into your WordPress dashboard, and you will see the dashboard here like this. And now we will navigate to the templates, and here you can see CF templates. Click on it. And once it open, now you can see here add new templates, import templates. Now I've already prepared a file for you. Click on the import templates, choose file, and here is my hero sections. Open it, just hit on it. Okay, now you can see here our section. We just done it. Now in a quick tutorial, I will show you. In previously screen I showed you how to import template. Here we have already imported our template. Now just we are in the Elementor page or any page on your website. Just you can see interface here. Drop the container. Now you can see I just drop the container here and click on the structure. Open it. Now you can see the container here, and all you have to do is just go search cat and template. Just drag the file here, the container, and give it a name. Here you can see your section template. Just click on it and boom, it just return it. And here you can go and publish your screen. Now if you go in the overview, you can see a section. Now back to the editor. Now we have to check the responsiveness of this section. This is a laptop, this is the template, and so far it's super perfect. So now go to the mobile portrait, and here you go. So guys, you can see now how easy it's to import template here website by your own. As you see here, it's working fine. The template we import previously. So now back to the editor, and now all you have to do is, it's very easy. If you want to change image, just click on it. But first of all, I will click on the structure, and this will tell you how easy to replace, edit and customize your content, your whole section in Elementor. So this is a main container. Let me, yeah, and when you click on it, just expand it, you will see two containers, left side and the right side. When you click on the left side, you will see the images here, which I added here, and when you see the right side, you will see new two containers. So in one container, you see the heading, which I click on it, and you will see we have just selected our subtitles. So hit on it, move the structure here, and give it a name, hello world. That's all. Now, if you want to, I will show you a quick tutorial on this. If you want to change heading, or let me just let it same in paragraph, you can add or you can remove. It's all up to you. And this is button, you can directly select the buttons and all the elements in the section we design to target, to change, to edit. You can directly select, but I will prefer you to go activate the structure and use this. So this is a button, and if you want to link this button somewhere, you can just, for example, I'm just adding google.com and ja, that's it. And if you want to change the image, this is very easy. So I have uploaded some images, I will choose this one, and I've just mentioned the, here you go. Look, now if you want to change the width, the size of anything, you can just change it from the styles, from the content you can change the image. If you want to image change in any other image, you can change very easily. Here you can go with this, and if I back to this, it's back. So, and just now go publish, and let's see. Okay, wait. Yeah. Now here you can see hello world, and this is the same heading. We didn't change this. This is a paragraph, and if you click on this button where we just add the link here to redirect, so when you click on it, it will take you Google. So yeah guys, that's it for today build, powered by Elementor Pro on WordPress. Here is WordPress. It is Elementor Pro. It's about it, ultimate design flexibility, and here it is WordPress. And now every section you just saw, fully responsive, custom design, and 100% editable. Built to look sharp and perform clean. Big shout out to Elementor for giving creators a tool to build without limits. You dream it, I build it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment below, stay tuned for more Elementor Pro tutorials, design tips, and ready to import sections template are coming your way. Thanks for watching, and remember,